Okay, wait. What is wrong with you?
Wait,
okay,
no.
wait. Come, please.
Okay.
Okay.
What is wrong with him?
Hello. What is it? What is wrong? I don't know. What happened?
You are behind him now.
Maybe.
Please, his phone is there. Okay. Call somebody.
What is wrong? How do people do like this now? What? I can't even.
What is wrong with this man now? Please.
Okay, it's open.
It's open.
What is wrong with you? Oga.
Hey, God, what is it?
Wait. Okay. Who do I call now? I don't know. Okay, see, my love. My love.
Call.
My love.
Hey, God. Oga.
Sorry. It's ringing. Hello?
Hello?
Please, he's actually here. He's unconscious.
Listen, that's his business, okay? I don't have his time.
What did the person say?
She said, consign him. A woman. Yes, he said, consign him.
My love.
Yes.
Hey, God.
What kind of my love is? Maybe they are quarreling or something.
Even if
Oga, who do we call? Oga?
His eyes is open, Nana. He's not saying anything. Who do we call again?
Sweetheart.
Oh, yeah.
Sweetheart.
Wala. Oh, this is wala.
Sorry,
this is wala. Oga.
It's ringing. It's ringing. Hello?
See, Dot is calling me. Hello? Salanto.
This is not Salonto. His name is not Salonto. I just found him on the floor here.
What's my problem?
Jesus.
Don't care.
Are you not his wife? You're saying I should.
Hey, so the people who have been calling is not the wife.
My sweetheart is not his wife. My love is not his wife.
Who
is now your wife, Oga?
No, Oga,
who is your wife?
There is no way to settle this. Me, I will leave you people and go.
Wait, let's just call maybe Sunshine.
We are called Sunshine.
My Sunshine.
God. Even for him. Good.
It's ringing. Hello? Yes, please. He's not the person that owns the phone. Your number is saved with my Sunshine. So please, we just found him unconscious. And right here, she cut call.
Another one.
She cut call.
Another one.
What do we do with him?
I don't know.
Should we call the police? Maybe we should call the police.
I don't want to be here if police will be involved. Before they will say we are the cause of this problem.
What do we call now?
Okay, I don't know. You know what?
Maybe I should call police.
No, please. You've not checked his recent call log now. Check that one. Okay. Check that one, please. Recent
call. Okay, I'm seeing. This one is Iyala Akara. This one might be a neighbor or customer.
Maybe.
Okay, maybe you know him.
Let's just call.
Let me call the person.
Call.
Iyala Akara. Sorry. It's ringing.
This is how people.
Hello? It's not your. You see, it's my husband. She said my husband. Hello, so you are the husband of the owner of this phone. Sorry, you are the wife of the owner of this phone. Yes, your husband. We just found him on the floor. He's struggling to breathe.
Yes.
Yeah, around what's the name of this place?
Liasu.
Liasu
Street. No.
Liasu Street. Yes, directly to that uncompleted building that is not painted. Yes. We are there now, please. Thank you.
You'll later be coming.
Wait, the Yak is the wife. So why did you say my son's? Inside, is she coming?
I don't know.
She said she's on her way. Okay, don't worry, your wife is coming. Your wife.
Are you?
Madam, are you the wife?
Yes. You're the wife.
What happened?
I'm coming. Open your mouth first. Open your mouth now. Open your mouth. Take. You're doing like this. You will be fine. Wait. Just chew it. Chew it now. Chew it. Sorry.
So he has a sickness.
Oh, sorry. Oh, but why did you leave the house without not taking your medications now? Why? Are you?
Okay. Are you okay? You can get up now.
Wait, you don't know whether he has
are you okay
to stand.
Are you okay?
He's going to stand up.
Please,
It's
stand
fine
up.
now. Yeah, baby, stand up.
See,
Stand up
see,
now.
he does not have the strength. Oh,
Wait.
Babe, now, don't worry. He's going to
come.
get up.
So
Babe,
that
wait.
you- Sorry,
Yeah,
sorry,
wait, sir.
sorry. Can you stand?
see, good.
Are you okay? Babe. How did you get here?
Why did you leave there without not taking your medication? And you don't even have it in your pocket.
Thought I carried it.
Sorry. You scared
Sorry.
me.
Hello. I've entered my.
Sorry, my love.
Hello. Sorry.
Sorry.
Let me understand something very well. Are you his wife?
Yes, I'm his wife.
Okay? This is your wife.
Sorry.
This is your wife.
Yes, my wife. Sorry.
Thank you for rescuing me.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
Okay?
Thank you.
You are very, very stupid. You are very, very stupid.
Please.
Madam!
Why would you insult me? What is all this? The question is very, very stupid because you assisted him on what?
Why are you insulting me? What have I done wrong?
Why are you insulting my husband now?
I
See, babe, don't stress yourself.
Madam.
Please. Let's just go.
Madam,
Thank
there's a
you.
lot you don't know. Please, just calm down.
What are you
Huh?
Don't insult him again,
I'm
please.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
But I am sorry to tell you that you married an idiot.
a stupid man.
You are mad.
Baby,
You are an idiot.
You have strength now.
calm down.
You have strength now.
He say now.
This is the idiot we have been trying to save here.
What is all this now?
Madam.
Because you tried to save, does that mean
Madam,
she insulted him?
please, let me see the phone. Let me just
Something.
let me show you something with his phone.
Bring
Please.
his phone. Let them
Please,
show you
just-
something.
Yes.
They will run away with it too.
They won't run.
What?
Madam, please confirm. There
Wait now,
are 5
wicked.
numbers that I tried here. There is my love here.
Okay.
Thunder will fire you.
In fact,
There
you
is-
know what to fire him very well.
Listen, there is
This one, let's go.
there is
Let's go where?
my sunshine.
You see it?
There is sweetheart, and there is Yalaka.
Yalakara.
Which one do you think you are in? Which one do you think is your number?
I have to be. Well, I have just one. Well, I have to be the sunshine. Yes, now, baby.
Sunshine.
Yes, I'm
Oh,
your
yeah,
sunshine.
ask him. You see the sunshine?
Yes.
You're very, very stupid.
Oga, if not that this umbrella is not
Look,
strong,
look,
I will add to your problem now.
What is going on
This
now?
man,
Now.
you called your husband, saved your number with Yalaka.
Yalakara, you are the one that is the Yalakara that we call now.
We called my love. She cut the call on our ear.
It's my mommy.
We called my love, a young girl. She cut call on
It's
us.
my mommy.
This idiot.
Play your phone. Collect my
We
phone.
called sunshine.
Oga, come out your hand.
A
Instead,
young
let me move your
girl.
hand.
She said she has nothing to do with this
This
idiot.
idiot.
Until we, okay, wait. Let me call Yalaka.
No, babe.
Collect my phone for me. Babe, collect my phone for me. You know, I'm still unconscious. Collect the
Okay.
phone.
What is ringing now?
Wait,
Uganaya. What did you see there?
Yalakara.
Yalakara.
That's what you married.
Yalakara.
Wait, Yalakara.
No, you know you sell akara now.
I know.
I won't quick know am if I dey call your number.
You see now.
I don't feel with my love before. I dey mistake am give call
Okay.
That is who you married. Take your
Take
phone.
your phone.
What do you have to
You
check my
see
phone?
what? Mother, you are a good woman. Oh, you
I
married
saved
a
your
very
life.
stupid man. You are a good woman.
Look at what you made us to go there.
I waste time to
Now,
go
wait, Mr. Man,
to
what
where I'm
happened?
going to. Look at you.
Man to man.
Nonsense.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma. Babe. No, talk to me. I'm your Yalakara.
No, I wanted to say with my love. You know, I didn't know say no be your number.
Save your side chicks.
They are not my
Number
side.
with sweet names.
They are not my side.
Wait, let's just take for instance that this man and the other woman did not think of calling the Yalakara. Maybe they just thought it's just random person, they did not call me. So this will have been the end of it. So you would have just died there and they will leave you. But I will not blame them for anything. I will not even know that somebody rescued you. And the useless lady that you saved with sweet, sweet names, they call them, they try to telling them different excuses.
It's a mistake. I just mistakenly said that. Babe, sorry now.
No,
Please, see, let me tell you something.
Thank you. Hey,
Babe, you cannot.
are you mad?
Jesus Christ of Mecca!
Are you crazy?
You know I'm managing
See,
that thing.
I left Akara on the fire you to come and save this useless man. Oh, my God will punish you. God.